I kind of didn't listen to the people, the wise people that were like, just don't do this with your brand new car. Please just be patient. I wasn't that patient. I wanted to drive my car and a little something happened. Freaking icy today. We got literally ice rain last night. I've still got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on, so I'm really hoping we get it there. It's like 40 minutes up north, and this is gonna be sketchy as heck. So hopefully I will see you there. Okay. We've just arrived at a place called the Vaults, which is a pretty slick place, and the guys doing the work are here. Hey boys.
How's it going?
Oh man, that truck is so sick. So it's a little skate-a-thon out here.
Yes.
But this is the boys' first time seeing the BRZ.
Looks so good.
Woo! Yeah, it does. I'm friggin' stoked. These guys both are proud owners of FRSs, and they've both built them out insanely well. So I'm gonna learn a lot.
Teach you the ways.
Teach me the ways, yeah. Okay guys, so we are here at the Posh Lab in Calgary. This is Eric and Derek. They run the Posh Detailing. Here's where I like really screwed up. Like actually, I'm pretty disappointed. So when I got the car, like I said, these guys are both FRS owners, and they said, don't drive your car. I know it's gonna be hard, but it's gonna get damaged, and it did. So I know it's gonna be really hard to see, but I actually have already got rock chips on the front of my car just from 400 kilometers of use, and that freaking sucks. But what we're here to do is get this car cleaned up, properly PPF'd, and I'll let them give you the link on that because I have no idea what they're doing. Got her first foam bath. It's gonna be the cleanest she's ever been and possibly ever might be in the entirety of her life until we bring her back. Okay, so there's a reason that I went with Posh Detailing. Number one, they're great guys and I really like working with them. Number two, they're insanely professional. These guys work on cars that are like $500,000, Bugattis, McLarens, whatever, you name it, these guys have worked on it. So I'm actually gonna get Eric to explain the process because it's fairly particular and I don't know anything about it.
This is a learning curve for everyone and all new BRZ owners, anybody getting a brand new vehicle. This is how we always prepare them for paint protection film. So what we always do, we always start by lifting the car, doing the wheels first, get that out of the way, then we do a full foam bath, let any of the dirt sit, hand wash it, rinse it, then we begin the decontamination stage. So what I was doing is I was spraying Iron X across the whole paintwork and then using an applicator to agitate it. And then what that's gonna do is it's gonna melt all the iron that's embedded in the clear coat so we have no specks under the paint protection film. And then right after this, we're gonna check it to see if any of the areas need clay and start wrapping the car.
All right guys, check this out. So we've got the XPEL paint protection film, which is pretty good stuff. Apparently, Eric knows more about it than I do, but apparently it's really high quality. But he was pointing out some stuff to me on my car already that I've like screwed up even more. Like check this out. Even when I'm getting into my car, I don't know if you guys can pick this up, but there's like crazy scuffs already just from my feet getting in. So it just shows like the value of protecting your paint.
We've got like a little factory piece of paint protection film. They usually put it in like the highest impact spot, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this and we're gonna do the whole side skirt just so we get that maximum coverage protection from any stepping, any rocks, absolutely everything.
So I probably should have listened to Eric and just been patient with the car, but it's a brand new car. I really wanted to drive it, and no one will really notice the nicks and dents on it other than me. So for those of you buying brand new cars, at least get some kind of wrap on the front, depending on where you live, obviously. Here we get tons of stone chips, rocks are everywhere, so trying to protect it and protect the value of the car, I think it's pretty important. All right guys, so we are in the final stages here of getting this wrap done. Derek has wrapped the entire car. And it's been a full day's work. These guys have been absolutely incredible. Now I can drive on the road with full confidence knowing that this thing's protected. Next step will be getting winter tires on, and I've actually always been a front wheel driver, so I'm gonna have to take some time, maybe in an empty parking lot or something, and really learn how to rip on this thing and take advantage of the rear wheel drive. I think it's gonna be a ton of fun. I've got studded winter tires on the way, so it's kind of funny that you put so much time and money into a product that you can't really see necessarily, but it gives me huge peace of mind driving this in Calgary. And then as well, of course, when you go for resale, the car will still maintain its value, which to me is kind of the biggest part. So we're gonna go take this car out. We're gonna go get some photos. I'll put a little GoPro on and we can watch this happen, but make sure to go check out Posh Detailing's YouTube. So there you have it, guys. After a full days of hard work, I didn't actually do anything. They did everything, but after a hard day's work for them, my car is now fully protected. Everything that I need to feel confident on the road, and I couldn't be happier. I'm so excited and super grateful for Posh for fitting me in. These guys are crazy busy, so really grateful for that. But yeah, guys, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want more BRZ content, photography content. I want to keep you guys up to date with the build that I'm doing here, and as well teach you how I shoot photos and videos and those kinds of things. But I really appreciate your time and hope to see you guys back here again in the next video. Okay, peace.